Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here, making up some hide glue. So I found my granulated hide glue. And it's perfectly dry. In this container, kept in a cool, dark, dry place, tightly secured lid, it'll last forever. So the instructions say to mix equal parts hide glue and water. So my mind goes off and says equal parts how? Volume or weight? Well, I put some graduations on my little jar here because I don't need a whole big jar of it. In fact, this is more than I need. So I divided the jar in half. I divided the half into quarters, and I proceeded to put in 1/4 of the jar in granules. Then I established the weight. It was 47 grams. And then I poured in 49 grams, I got as close as I could, of water. And the water seemed like it disappeared. Well, two things are happening. The glue was sucking up water and the water was going in between the granules. So I was thinking, perhaps the mix is best done by weight. By volume. So I added a little bit more water to bring it up to half a jar. And that doesn't seem too bad. It's real gelatin-like. So we have to let this soak. How long? Yes, exactly that long. I'll leave it overnight probably. And then I have myself a nice little candle warmer, which I will use to warm it. Now, I may put another larger jar on here and with water in it and set this down inside of that for a little bit more control of the heat. So we shall see. But that's about it. That's all there is to working with hide glue. And this came from Antique Refinishers Incorporated, also known as oldbrownglue.com. It's on the same site. And this is 192 gram strength. So this was a 6-pound package, and that'll outlast me for long. There'll be glue left here to put postage stamps on everything. So go check them out. If you decide to buy some product from them, tell them that DustySplinters sent you, or Walter, either way, and come back and check out the hide glue when I'm ready to use it on the trestles, which I have to steam out those dents yet and chamfer them. If you found something useful, helpful, maybe entertaining, give it the old thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.